Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel again. Today I am going to be doing this pink eyelids with some shimmer on, and the lower lids are purple, and a smoky eyeliner which I did using a eyeliner and a pencil eyeliner, and I smoked it out with an eyeshadow. It's quite a nice elegant look. So if you guys want to know how I did it, keep on watching the full video. So I am just starting off with prepping my face, just using a Nivea cream just to apply the cream all over my face, and then I used a Rimmel primer, and now I am just doing my prepping my eyelids for the eyeshadow. So I'm just going in with the dabbing motion, doing that on both of my eyes to make sure it's fully blended, and going to test it with the translucent powder. Next I took a pink shade with a big fluffy brush, so I'm going to apply that on my creases on both of the eyes, even though the whole color is going to go on the lid, but I'm going to start off with the crease just so I can have that nice blended look. So I'm just, as you can see, I'm just taking more shade, building up the coverage, and now I'm just going in with the color full on the whole lid like this, just dabbing it on. I'm just using a blending brush just to dab it on, but ideally you should be using a flat brush just to pack the color on, or a denser brush, more denser than the blending one. So now I am taking this black pencil with the angled brush. I'm going to create a wing, just following my lash line, and I'm just creating the wing, taking it all the way inside. It doesn't have to be very thick. I don't like thick eyeliners anyway, I like thin eyeliners, so I'm just applying that. Then I took this, it was purple shade, so I'm just going to apply that and just smoke out. As you can see, I'm just applying the purple shade on top of the eyeliner and just smoking it out and just blending it, just clearing the my under eyes. I've taken this shimmer on my fingers just to show you guys, and I'm just putting it with a flat brush, just packing it on. I'm not going on top of the eyeliner, I just on the eyelids. As you can see, I'm packing the shimmer on and just cleaning the rest of my face. And here I am just dabbing the powder for my under eyes. Here I am taking the purple shade which I used to blend out my liner, going to put that in my lower lash line. I'm just blending that out with the bluish shade, just smoking it out a little bit here, and then I just did the rest of my face, and I'm just applying my foundation on my face with this brush, and going to put a white pencil in my waterline, as you can see. And in the inner corners I'm using the same same highlighter which I used for my face, just putting that in my brow bone as well, and then just finishing off the look with the mascara. And now it's time to do the lips. So for the lips, I've taken this red shade, and I'm just applying a thick liner. No, it's not a red shade, it was actually a brownish shade which I took, and I'm putting this nude color on, so it gives such a nice color. I really liked it. It was good. So this was the full look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you do give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.